said during the question hour, our member Tamilchi Thangapandian raised a very important issue, a burning issue in Tamil Nadu, because the union government has not released funds, saying that unless the Tamil Nadu government agrees to sign the NEP and the three-language policy, funds more than 2,000 crores will not be released to our children in Tamil Nadu for their schools. So when she raised this question about the funds not being released, the minister in response got up and said that when the MPs from Tamil Nadu and the opposition parties went and met him, that we had agreed to sign the NEP, which is very far from the truth, because quoting us the meeting with the minister, our chief minister has written to the minister and also to the prime minister saying that we cannot agree to the NEP and we have disagreements with a few issues in the NEP and we will not be able to sign the NEP, and in spite of it they have to release the funds and they should not link accepting the NEP and the three-language policy with releasing of funds through the SSA. This is something which our CM, Mr. Stalin, has made very, very, very clear. So we have not changed our stand. This is the Tamil Nadu stand right from the beginning, and this is a stand of the DMK and our Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin. So, the minister today called our government, our people and the parliamentarians from Tamil Nadu liars. And not only that, he has hurt the feelings of all of us and the Tamil Nadu's pride by calling us uncivilized. I think it's democracy. Everybody has a right to voice their opinion, and when something is being quoted wrongly, obviously members of the opposition will get up and try to clear that. We are not against any language, but you cannot call us uncivilized. We condemn it strongly, and I think the speaker, and he has taken my name, but the speaker has not allowed me to clarify. I think this is undemocratic and this is absolutely unparliamentary.